Hi, Power Ranger 201-155-44 fans. This is your host. I got something to show you that I just got. If you are following my Power Ranger collection videos over the years, well, you would know that I'm a big fan of Power Rangers, right? Well, since 2 weeks ago, when Power Rangers Megaforce premiered on Nickelodeon, I always wanted the Ghost Morpher, which I just picked up today from my local Target. $32.61 in change. I had $15 in bills and $21 in exact change. So, if you guys wanted to see the video, this is the time to see it right now. I'm going to review it and unbox it at the same time. Well, this is the Ghost Morpher from Power Rangers Megaforce. I forget what it's called in the Japanese version of the Megaforce Rangers, but this is what I picked up for a really good amount of price. Pull down the tab, the mouth, and pull it back up. Oh, Megaforce. And that was Ghost's voice from the show. It is actually show accurate too. So I'm gonna unbox it and show you what I got from it. And you can actually scan your power cards on the Power Rangers official new app, which you can download for free on the App Store, which I already did that a month ago before Power Rangers Megaforce actually did premiere on Nickelodeon. Got the power cards out. Now it's gotta get the morpher out itself. Pardon me for trying to get this open so I can get the whole thing out. There we go. Got it. There's only hybrid inside. And see the thing right here, holding the morpher. It's like the Power Rangers gloves. Oop, there. Oh, got it finally. There we go. I love the feel. I love the hold. I like the morpher is really cool to hold. You get a belt loop holster for it, like you did with the Mega Blade and the Spin Sword. So that's pretty neat that they give you like a little belt loop to put on your belt. You can put on your belt. There you go. Put it on like that. The 10 power cards I got. Oh, the instructions were in there too. And this shows you how to scan your power cards on the app. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 Red Ranger power cards came with it. And that's awesome. 10 power cards. Show you how to take the belt thing off now. That can be back on later. So take out the fake power card that you get to use, and it looks just like this one. Power card is placed in the megamorpher, they'll say morphers, like so, and you go megaforce red. Just trying to line it up. It's not clipping down. It shouldn't be though. There you go, there's like the power of the Red Ranger from Megaforce. The cards are a little flimsy, but that's okay. I'm not going to really bend them that much. Same thing for the Red Ranger's power sword. And now his pilot is Megazord. Same sound for all three so far. I'm gonna keep them in order, so excuse me for a second. I'm trying to keep these in order so I don't lose them. It's supposed to stay there. Whatever they have. Oops. This is like their old Megazord card. There we go. I don't know why it's not coming out. Okay. There we go. And then SPD Red Ranger. I'm going to have to scan these in my iPad in a few minutes as well. SPD Red Ranger. There's no on and off switch on this either. I'm just checking reviewing it as well. And Jungle Fury Red Ranger. I'm gonna scan that in my iPad. In my iPad. And finally, Red Wild Force Red Ranger. So that is the Gosei Deluxe Morpher. that is awesome. I got 10 power cards, all Red Rangers from past seasons of Power Rangers. So that is my review and my unboxing of the new Power Rangers morpher. But this was really cool how they had it shaped in the box. So you can see the glove right here, and it was facing like this, showing the hand of the Power Ranger popping out of the box itself. So that's my unboxing and my review. That's all in one shot. So see you guys later. Bye.